Hello, good evening. In this video, we like to complete my task related exam for math communication project. But first, let me introduce myself. My name is Rizky Ramadan, and I got me 4212301022. Okay. Without any further, I'm gonna jump to the videos. Okay, there are a couple bunch of the parameters that I need to complete. It's for the first way. Okay, if we take a look on the number, there are four things that I need to complete to explain. First one, related to the process of reading the data. And the second one, valuation method with an handhold OCD, and a C parameter that I use for hooks and essay value. And the last one, to share the matrix diagram. Let's go to jump to the video. Honestly, I already got the code in my web. I use Google Colab. Now, I just need to run, right? I'm gonna show this program run to read data. Actually, this quite take a long time to read data. So once it's complete, I'm gonna going back to your old guys, to your search. Okay, it's almost there. Yeah, almost there. As you guys can see, it's still loading. It's almost showing the result. Yes, so basically this is the result. This is the matrix diagram. It can show the data readable and can serve the data result of the analysis the data. Okay, let's go and move to just the next one. So for point number A, we already make a procession of the data sheet. And the second one, I need to explain the method evaluation. Okay, so basically we use a lever one out. This is a part. This is a part. This is a part of the code. Okay, and then since we got this already, this code actually explain us that the method is there are a couple bands of a data in this code, and it's being read and it's being evaluation by this function. So they're able to find any discrepancy in the data. This is quite a good implement to know and to analyze which data is correct and which data is invalid. Okay, let's go jump to the C question. Parameter that I use with a host, and SVNI, SVNI. Okay, so this is the part of host. I'm gonna let you guys know first what is actually the host. Host is a short of histogram of oriented gradient. Host is used to extract a feature by case. So basically, this host working like this. Let me share it first. There are metrics of a quadrant. Let's say we got four square as a quadrant here, and it would read the data. For example, it's data to read a vowels, a subject A. So if I put the data A like this, we're able to read it. Like for example, we have the same pattern of a grid. We also have four, right? And then I put A like this. It's become an outside here, and then the code's not able to read this is as A. This is a wrong one. It's defined as a error data, and then it's defined as a readable data. Correct. That's how the hot works. Okay. There's a bunch of data we read here, um, such as platform. Mm, I use a 500 sample to read, 500 sampling to read the data. So one data will get read, will being read 500 times. It will show the data like this. Okay, there are 26 data, and everyone's its data will read and sampling by 500 times. I got data number zero. Okay, it's being read already 500 times, and the result is quite. We can assume that the result. We can assume that the result color by this color, like oranges between 2 and 4. I can show you. I can tell that the data number 5 result is quite good. And sampling for data number 5, like 500 times, the result is quite good. Okay, it's also good in access data number 16. So basically, by this provided data, we can tell the data become able to read and sampling which one is the correct one by analyzing. Okay, I think that's all from my videos. I just gonna go into make a summarize of this program. This program is basically aims to correcting to analyze size. I mean, analyze some data by doing sampling read. How many times we do samples? It's set up. Okay, it's set up. It's set up on the code. It's set up on the code. Yeah. It says the accuracy about 0.5. There are 13,000 balancing of data samples. I take it that as a math parameter, so the data is quite accurate. Okay. Mm, okay. I use a hot size like 4.4 to ensure the data is become good. Okay, that's it. I think that's all for my video. Is there anything I could probably ask if I have a cut off? And thank you very much.